Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and it is time to go ahead and show you what Google sent over. I appreciate them sending this over. So I got the Pixel Buds and the Pixel 5 in Sage, obviously, and then the case here. So we're going to go ahead and get to the phone because this is what you guys probably are really interested in. This device has a 6-inch display. It's got 16 megapixel camera on the back, 8 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 765, 4080 milliamp hour battery, Gorilla Glass 6, has an aluminum back with an aluminum frame, nano SIM, eSIM, you know the drill, IP68 water and dust resistant, which is really nice, an OLED display, 90 hertz at HDR10 plus, 6 inches by the way, if I didn't say that, 1080p, always on display, Android 11, 128 gigs of storage, 12.2 megapixel wide angle, and then a 16 megapixel ultra wide, 4K 60 obviously. So we're really going to hammer that home with 4K video on this thing. 8 megapixel wide on the front. So Bluetooth 5.0 obviously, and stereo speakers. So let's crack the seal on here. I'm really excited about this. Fingerprint reader is mounted on the back of the device, and that's about it. You got reverse wireless charging, fast charging at 18 watts. So let's get this box opened up here. This is the 5G. Alright, and here we go. Wow, this is beautiful in person, folks. If you ordered the sage green, or Sorta Sage, it says that's the official color is Sorta Sage. Wow, this color is absolutely fantastic. We have to just marvel at this for a second. Whoa, they did a number on this thing, man. Wow. That's that 6-inch display with the camera hole up top, as you can see there. Wow, wow, wow. So obviously you have like a chrome accented button right here, but it's kind of green though. And then you've got the power button there, and then you've got the volume rocker there, fingerprint reader, and then you have the dual camera setup right here with the little face. Nothing on this side but the SIM tray. And on the bottom here, you've got the speaker and Type-C and microphone, and this is also a little shiny. This part right here, the G is shiny. You got a microphone up top, so whoa, that's beautiful. You got some literature here, and then you have the 18 watts charger here. It's very faint on there, so I'm not going to bore you with that. And then you have your transfer adapter there, and you have a data cable there. So we'll put this away and we'll get this fired up, because I know you guys are really excited to see this. So we'll hit the power button, and there it is. All right, so pretty exciting stuff. I know you guys are excited to enjoy this device, and I will definitely enjoy it for you. So again, if you ordered the Sorta Sage, I think you're going to be really happy with this. And you know, comparing this to the size of the Pixel 4a, it's actually just about the same size, because remember, this device is a 6-inch and this is 5.8. So if you like the size of the Pixel 4a, you're going to love the size of this device. That is no doubt.